Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple hot dog, a very simple hot dog in Blender. I'm going to model it and then also going to texture it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render. Let me save this render. So this is a very simple model of a hot dog. I have textured it and I also modeled it in Blender. So this is our final model. If you want, you can also give him a legs, give him legs, and also animate this guy. So that's it, friend. This is our cute hot dog model in Blender, model and texture in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.